Parrots are known for their ability to mimic human speech. And some species can learn and repeat hundreds of words. Parrots have a zygodactyl foot structure, meaning they have 2 toes pointing forward and 2 toes pointing backward, which helps them grip and manipulate objects with great dexterity. Some parrot species can live for a remarkably long time, with the oldest recorded parrot reaching an age of over 80 years. Parrots are highly intelligent birds and are capable of problem-solving, using tools, and demonstrating complex social behaviors. Parrots have a specialized diet that often includes a variety of fruits, seeds, nuts, and even flowers and nectar. Parrots are found in diverse habitats around the world, from tropical rainforests to arid savannas, and can adapt to a wide range of environments.